Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best LGA 1700 coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride L9 AM4, Premium Low-Profile CPU Cooler for AMD AM4. Noctua's Nitrogen Monohydride L9i-17XX and Nitrogen Monohydride L9A AM4 are a pair of low-profile CPU coolers, the former for 12th generation, and upcoming 13th generation, core processors and the latter for Ryzen. Both are 37mm tall, which is a centimeter lower than Intel's boxed cooler and a half lower than AMD's Wraith Stealth. Such small dimensions are achieved by using 14mm thick fan on SSO2 self-stabilizing bearing. It is backed by the highest possible 6-year warranty. The kit includes screws for mounting an alternative thick 9cm diameter swivel table. At equal speeds, it pumps more air volume per unit time. And in general, the delivery set of these mini coolers is royally rich. It includes LNA resistor to reduce max rotational speed from 2,500 revolutions per minute to 1,800 revolutions per minute. And a tube of branded thermal paste NTH1. And a thick metal plate with Noctua logo, which you can proudly attach to the front panel of the PC case. Other manufacturers are usually limited to a flat sticker. Black painted version of the cooler Chromax. Black. There are modifications for socket Intel LGA 1150-1200, LGA 1700 and AMD AM4, is a little more expensive, but additionally equipped with a height-adjustable air intake Noctua NA FD1. It allows it to draw cool air from the outside of a mini ITX or thin ITX PC case instead of trapping heat from other PC components inside. Moving on at number 4, we have the Be Quiet Shadow Rock Slim 2. Be Quiet Shadow Rock Slim 2 is high and thin, a processor cooler that will certainly not block even the RAM slot closest to the processor socket. The turret height is 16 centimeters, which is not a problem for most new hulls. But the old one may not fit. Be sure to check before buying. 4 copper heat pipes with a diameter of 6 mm are devoid of anti-corrosion nickel coating and are in direct contact with the processor. Direct contact is more useful for processors with a large solid die, such as Ryzen Apis with integrated graphics. But AMD processors without an integrated GPU consist of several chiplets. Moreover, individual areas of the chiplet can heat up unevenly. Therefore, in this case, a cooler with an intermediary plate that distributes heat between all tubes is better suited. In addition, this allows you to turn the tower by blowing sideways or upwards, without worrying that some of the tubes will not come into contact with the elongated die of Intel Core processors. Be Quiet has not standard 3, but 4 poles for more precise centering during rotation. The bearing is used, if not the top hydrodynamic, but still rifled rifle bearing, which is many times more durable than a conventional bushing 80,000 hours of trouble-free operation. The 4-pin PWM fan connector allows you to accurately read the rotational speed and adjust the dependence of speed on the temperature of the processor. At number 3, we have the Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo Tower CPU Cooler. The Arctic Freezer 34 Esports Duo is a single tower, dual-fan cooler with 4 heat pipes and a wide choice of colors: black, white, black and white, red, yellow and green. The latter will look most harmoniously paired with the motherboard of the increasingly popular Huanon brand. Moreover, the cooler supports a semi-server, workstation, LGA 2011 V3 socket. The kit comes with a tube of probably the most popular thermal paste in the world, Arctic MX4. Initially, the Freezer 34 Esports Duo did not support the latest LGA 1700 consumer processor socket for the 12th generation Intel Core. But recently, the German company Arctic completed its offspring with the necessary mount. The competing AMD AM4 socket for Ryzen 1000 series to 5000 series processors is of course also supported. And according to AMD, the upcoming AM5 will get a permanent cooler mount that will keep current cooling systems up to date for years. A pair of complete fans have a diameter of 12 centimeters and hydraulic bearings. Moreover, these are not ordinary hydrostatic ones, but many times more durable hydrodynamic ones. Arctic turntables are generally among the most affordable based on HDB, hydrodynamic bearing. Moreover, they start from a record low 200 revolutions per minute, which is not even audible. You can buy such turntables, for example, for a PC case, separately. They are called Arctic Bionics P120. At number 2, we have the Deepcool AK620 CPU Air Cooler. Deepcool AK620 is a 2-tower and 2-fan cooler weighing almost 1.5 kilograms. By the way, not all double towers are equipped with a pair of turntables. Sometimes only one fan is installed between the fin sections. However, the same trick can be done with the Deepcool AK620. In this case, the second propeller will not block the RAM slots, because there is a cutout for it on the radiator. This will allow you to freely remove low memory modules, or install high-cooled RAM. Through the aluminum fins are 6 heat pipes with a diameter of 6 mm, nickel-plated. Uniform transfer of heat from the processor to such a large number of tubes is possible only by using an intermediary plate polished to a mirror finish. The ugly sealed ends of the tubes are covered with decorative plates with a lattice texture. A pair of turntables have a diameter of 12 centimeters and a durable hydrodynamic bearing. The speed is adjustable from 500 to 1850 revolutions per minute. Turntables are connected to the motherboard using a Y-like splitter. In addition to it, the kit comes with a tube of thermal paste and a long L-shaped screwdriver for tightening hard-to-reach screws between the towers. The manufacturer claims a heatsink of up to 260 watts. De jure processors with such a high TDP are not found on sale. But de facto, by automatically overclocking Intel Velocity Boost and, moreover, by manual overclocking, such strong heating is quite achievable. And finally at number 1, we have the Cooler MasterAir Massachusetts 624 Stealth CPU Air Cooler. Cooler MasterAir MA624 Stealth is a CPU cooler with 2 towers and, unexpectedly, 3 fans. Moreover, it will not work to install all 3 turntables at once. There is no third set of brackets, and it does not make sense. A central 14 cm fan is always installed. A decorative plate is laid on top of it, which fastens the towers together. And with the other 2 propellers, the user has a lot of room to maneuver. You cannot put a second fan at all. This will allow you to install the highest, horned, RAM, up to 7 centimeters. If you install a 12 cm fan, then the permissible height of the RAM will be reduced to 4 centimeters, which is only a centimeter more than the simplest non-radiator modules. But the height of the processor cooler will remain the same 16 centimeters. But if you mount 2 14 centimeters turntables, you will either have to be content with bare memory without radiators, or buy a wide computer case that can fit a 17.5 centimeters tower. The type of fan bearing is not specified by the manufacturer, but given the claimed MTBF of up to 160,000 hours, this is clearly a top-end HDB bearing. 1 or 2 unclaimed turntables are proposed to be used as cabinet ones. After all, if the housings are equipped with propellers, then these are most often noisy and short-lived plain bearings. The Cooler MasterAir MA624 Stealth weighs quite moderately, as for a double tower 1.3 kilogram. Thanks to this, you cannot worry about the bending of the motherboard. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.